Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable an automatic system restart after a system failure on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to tap the power button on the screen here, and then hold down the shift key and select restart. And then underneath choose an option, select where it says troubleshoot, reset your PC or see advanced options. And then select advanced options. And then select startup settings. And then select restart. And then you want to select the F8 option, disable early launch anti-malware protection. So go ahead and tap F8. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.